You rent a bicycle for 4 days. The bike store charges $20 for the first day and $15 for each additional day. Write and graph a step function that represents the relationship between the number x of days and the total cost y in dollars of renting the bicycle. Use a table to organize the information. Because you rent the bicycle for 4 days, the domain is all real numbers greater than 0 and less than or equal to 4. The total cost when x is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 1 is the total cost for the first day, which is given to be $20. The total cost when x is greater than 1 and less than or equal to 2 is the total cost to rent the bicycle for 2 days. Because the bike store charges $15 for each additional day, to find the total cost to rent the bicycle for 2 days, add 15 to 20, so the total cost is $35. The total cost when x is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 3 is the total cost to rent the bicycle for 3 days. To find this value, add 15 to 35, so the total cost is $50. The total cost when x is greater than 3 and less than or equal to 4 is the total cost to rent the bicycle for 4 days. To find this value, add 15 to 50, so the total cost is $65. Now use the table to write a step function. F of x equals 20 if 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 1. F of x equals 35 if 1 is less than x is less than or equal to 2. F of x equals 50 if 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 3. And f of x equals 65 if 3 is less than x is less than or equal to 4. Now you want to graph the step function. Because x does not equal 0 in the first equation, draw an open circle at 0, 20. Then draw a line segment at y equals 20 for all values of x greater than 0 and less than or equal to 1. Because x equals 1 in the first equation, draw a closed circle at 120. Because x does not equal 1 in the second equation, draw an open circle at 135. Then draw a line segment at y equals 35 for all values of x greater than 1 and less than or equal to 2. Because x equals 2 in the second equation, draw a closed circle at 235. Because x does not equal 2 in the third equation, draw an open circle at 250. Then draw a line segment at y equals 50 for all values of x greater than 2 and less than or equal to 3. Because x equals 3 in the third equation, draw a closed circle at 350. Because x does not equal 3 in the fourth equation, draw an open circle at 365. Then draw a line segment at y equals 65 for all values of x greater than 3 and less than or equal to 4. Because x equals 4 in the fourth equation, draw a closed circle at 465.